I come and go just like I have nothing to say, and it wouldn't hurt at all if you walked away. I come and go just like I was told to do like this, and your presence wouldn't be something I wouldn't miss. So I come and go, so I come and go, so I come and go, so I come and go. I come and go just like those waves that wash their summer from our minds, full of pockets and empty diaries. I come and go just like that's just how it's meant to be. But I always ask myself, why don't you come and go with me? Come with me. Is that what you really want? Come with me. Is that what you're trying?